The Allard Clipper emerged in 1953 as a striking departure from Allard Motor Company's traditional V8-powered sports cars. Facing market pressures from larger manufacturers like Jaguar, Sidney Allard sought to enter the microcar segment with this innovative three-wheeler. Designer David Gottlieb created a revolutionary vehicle featuring one of the first color-impregnated fiberglass bodies, manufactured by Horder & Richmond. The Clipper's unique layout accommodated 3 adults on a bench seat accessed through a single door, plus 2 children in optional dicky seats behind the cabin. Power came from a rear-mounted Villiers 24B 346 cubic centimeters single-cylinder 2-stroke engine, producing 8 horsepower. The drivetrain employed an unconventional triple V-belt system connecting to a Berman gearbox, which drove only the left rear wheel. The suspension utilized Andre Neihart rubber mounting with trailing arms. The lightweight construction resulted in a mere 300 kilograms total weight, promising impressive fuel economy of 70 miles per gallon. Priced at £268, the Clipper aimed to compete with the Bond minicar through motorcycle dealerships. Technical challenges plagued the project. The engine suffered from chronic overheating issues, while driveshaft weaknesses led to frequent breakdowns. Production difficulties with the fiberglass body required new molds, increasing costs beyond viable limits. Encon Motors in Fulham handled manufacturing, but after approximately 20 units, production ceased in 1954. Testing against contemporaries like the AC Petite and Bond showed promising results, and 1 unit successfully completed a 200-mile journey to the Midlands. However, the combination of reliability issues and production challenges ultimately doomed the project. Today, the Allard Clipper holds a unique place in automotive history. Of the original production run, only 3 examples survived into the 21st century. Recently, restoration specialist Jeffrey Hacker of Undiscovered Classics acquired one of these rare vehicles, aiming to preserve this distinctive piece of British microcar history. Despite its commercial failure, the Clipper represented significant innovations in automotive design, particularly in the use of fiberglass construction and its unique approach to economical transportation in post-war Britain.